Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell how can you turn off notifications in Snapchat app on your iPhone. This can be easily done on your iPhone or iPad. For this you do not even need to go Snapchat, you just go into the settings of your iPhone. Now here you flip up here, find here the search button, and in the search write Snapchat and find here the application. Snapchat, we open it now. Here we just click on the item, notifications, and turn off the notification here. That is nothing complicated like this. You can easily turn off all notifications in Snapchat. But you can also turn off allow notifications, but here you can customize these notifications so that they, for example, do not come on. Lock screen, banner, notification center to come without sound, or you can turn it all off. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.